In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way of undoing your last commit using the git command. Here I have my VS Code editor on top with a project opened, and at the bottom I have my command line. This project is on my G drive in Ghost directory. In this project I have a file called broken.txt. It's already committed and pushed to the master repository. I know it's just a text file, but let's assume that it's some piece of software in an important project that actually works. So let's go ahead and break it. Let's do something stupid and break this application. Go ahead and save the file, and the next thing you want to do is stage the changes. That's done by using git add --all command. Now let's say you're making a mistake and you're committing this code, which is done by running git commit -m double quote, enter your message, go ahead and hit enter. Now at this point you've realized that you've done something bad, but you haven't pushed the code yet. If you push this code now to the master repository, you're going to break the production server, especially if you have automatic deployment. You can use the git log command to see all of the commits. So let's go ahead and do that, git log. As you can see, the I made a disaster commit there is the most recent one. Let's exit this by hitting Q on keyboard, and let's go back to command line. Now to undo the most recent commit, type git reset -- hard head and this character. Now this inverted V is actually the caret character, and in this case it's basically saying go back to the previous commit, the most recent one. There's only one head, but using the combination of characters like this, we can choose a relative position. There are different ways in Git to specify a relative head, but for the sake of the simplicity of this tutorial, we're not going to go into that right now. Now go ahead and hit enter, and immediately you will see that our code will go back to the previous working version. We even have it updated in our VS Code editor automatically. You will see now that our head is now at the this code works commit. Let's run git log again just to check, and you will see here that we're back to this code works. What we've just done is called hard reset. Now the hard reset will automatically undo our changes as well. This is why in VS Code our file was automatically updated to the previously working code from the previous commit. Now, there are times when you want to go back to the previous commit, but you want to keep the changes. In order to do that, you're going to have to do a soft reset, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next part. So I'm going to go ahead and break the code again. Here we go. I broke it again. I'm going to stage this file once again by typing git add --all. Then I'll go ahead and commit this file by typing git commit -m and some kind of a note. Okay, hit enter. Now we're going to go back to our previous commit, but we're going to keep the changes. So we're going to go from made another disaster to this code works. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and type git reset -- soft this time, head and the caret character, and hit enter. Now you'll see that I broke it again is still there. That's because the changes were not removed when we're doing a soft reset. With a hard reset, like here, you will see that the file will actually change back and our changes will be wiped out. I think this tutorial explained how to go back to most recent commit. There are other ways of doing this in Git, but at the basic level, this is how you roll back to the previous commit using some simple commands. I do recommend doing more research and looking more into this.